Dear St. Andrews School students, greeting of the day. This is Dharmveer Singh, your English teacher. I hope you are staying home and staying safe. For the meantime, till the schools are not allowed to open, we will study through videos, dear students. This is a continuation of third chapter from English grammar book, class third, dear students. In earlier two videos, we have discussed the two chapters. The first one is the English language, and the second one is noun. Okay. Now the third chapter is singular and plural nouns. You already know the something about singular and plural noun. As a name says, singular. Singular means single, and a plural. Plural means more than one. Okay, let us see the definition of it. Dear students, you will understand the things in better manner. Okay, any noun standing for one person, animal, place, or thing. If you read this definition, any noun standing for one. Okay, one place, animal, person, it will refer to singular. For example, box, one box is there. Bench, one bench is there. And man, man, refer to one man. Okay, now second definition, if we see for plural noun, any nouns that stand for more than one person. Okay, if we are talking about one person, it is singular noun, and if we are talking about more than one person, animal, place, or thing, it is called plural noun. For example, boxes, benches, chairs, dishes, oxen. For ox, it will become oxen. Dear students, if we look into your books, the picture in blue, a girl is in first photograph. If we look, a girl and two girls, next two girls, and third one is many girls. So if a things refer to one, it is singular, and more than two person of place or animals are there, it will become plural. In the same, one mango is there, in plural it will become two, and tiger, one tiger is there, and it will become two tigers in plural. A and n, a comma a slash n means the birds, girls, man, and tiger means one or singular noun. If we place a or one, it will refers to singular, and the birds, girls, mangoes, tigers, more than once, it will become plural. There are very simple, some rules are there, very simple rules are there. If we follow these rules, you easily change singular into plural. There are various rules to change singular plural. The most common of these are if add s to singular noun, like toy will become toys, house will become houses, river will become rivers in plural form, book will become books, dog will become dogs. We will add s in singular noun. And dear student, remember the noun ending in s, double s, x, sh, cs, soft, or noun ending in a hissing sound, hissing, like fox. Okay, bus, dish, inches, fish, his sound, understand? Fish, dish, fox, bus, like this. Okay, like fox, if we change x is there, x will change into ex, like fox will become foxes, bush will become bushes, bush, bush, and in plural bushes, es. Okay, dish will become dishes, watch will become watches, bus will become buses. These are the simple rules which this rule try to say. Now if we see the third, when noun ending in by proceeding a vowel, plural form adding s, means by will change into s, by will followed by s, like donkey, y is there in the last singular form, and donkeys, we will add s into it. Monkey, 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 after y will add s in this. Okay, because a noun ends in by preceding a vowel, its plural is formed by ending s. This is the rule about this. Okay, when a noun ends in by preceding a consonant, its plural is formed by changing y into s. In this case, y will transform into ies. Okay, now let's read. For example, army, army, in place of by will change into IAS. Army will become armies. Fly will become flies. Story will become stories. Lady will become ladies. If you see these examples very carefully, dear students, the by is changing into IES. Noun, army is noun, proceeding a consonant like Y, and Y will change into IES. Army will become armies. Y removed and its form in form of IES in plural form. Let's see the next rule. When a noun ends in O, proceeding a consonant, its plural is formed by ES. For example, mango. Mango will become mangoes. Mosquito will become mosquitoes. Let's see the next rule. Some nouns that end in A O needs only S to form plurals. Like piano, we will add S only. Pianos. Photo. Photo will become photos. Radio will become radios. Dear students, there are some, beside this, there are some nouns that have the same form in both singular and plural. You should remember this very carefully. There are some nouns that have same in form both plural as well as plural, like deer, DEER. In plural it will come, we call it deer only. Fish, in plural we can't call fishes or fish, okay. It will become fish only. Ship will become ship only, and moose will become moose only. There are some birds which cannot change and remain same whether they are in singular form or in plural form. There are some nouns that do not have singular, whereas some nouns do not have plural, like scissors. They don't have any singular form. Scissors, trousers, spectacles, gloves, shorts. And nouns that do not have plurals, like jewelry, mud, luggage, bread, pasta. Okay, so on the basis of your understanding, dear students, you first of all read these rules once again. Very simple rules, singular and plural, and after that try to complete these exercises. Okay, let's revise. Take the correct answer. The plural of calf is dash. The plural of calf is dash. So read this and mark the correct answer in your book. And after that, the important point is the second one. Write the plural of nouns given below. In this, what you have to do is, dear students, plural, you have, the singular form is given to you and you have to frame this into plural form. Read the rules once again, and on that basis you can easily complete this exercise and solve this exercises very easily. In this manner your practice will be done and you will understand the things in better manner, dear students. So read the question very carefully. Don't do it in the second. If it third one, if you look, write the singular of the nouns. Here plural is given to you and you have to frame this in singular form. Write the singular. Plural is given to you, like armies. We already discussed example of army. In place of by, it will y will change into IES. So you will write in, you remove IES and you will write ARM by army in singular form. Okay. Plural is given to you, you have to write. In the oxen, what we told, some places take EN or, so this will become ox. So I hope you understood the things, and if you are facing any problem, you can ask me, you can call me. You know that query time 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. And once again, I remember you, dear students, timing for sending your answers will be from 12 noon to 3 p.m. So read this once again. Try to complete this exercise in your notebook. If facing any problem, you can call me, and if we meet once again in July, definitely I'll explain this once again. Thank you, student, for watching this. Thank you. Read this once again. Thanks. Thank you.